Hi and Assalamualaikum everyone. I'm Syasya Rafiqah Binti Rizalman from MMC 1103C. Today, I'm going to present to you all about communication ethic for CMP 281. Now, communication ethic as a whole refer to the principle and guidelines that govern how people interact and exchange information in a morally responsible manner. It is the practice of ensuring that communication, whether spoken, written, or nonverbal, is conducted with respect, honesty, and integrity and fairness while considering the impact on all involved parties. There are three levels of inquiry. Individual focus on personal ethic and the moral responsibilities of communicators. This level examines the motivation, intention, and character of individuals involved in communication. This level emphasizes the importance of self-reflection and personal accountability in communication practice. It encourages individuals to consider how their actions align with ethical standards and the potential impact on others. While organization addresses the ethical practices and policies of institution and organization involved in communication. This level examines how organizational culture, value, and structures influence communication ethics. This level highlights the role of organization in shaping ethical communication, practice, and responsibility of leaders to foster an ethical culture. It also considers the impact of organization decisions on stakeholders and the broader community. Economic focus shifted the broader implication of communication practices on society as a whole. This level encourages communities to consider the societal impact of their work and the ethical responsibilities they have to promote, inform, and equitable public discourse. It emphasized the importance of considering the consequence of communication on diverse communities and the need of ethical advocacy. On this slide, we will talk about the three views of decision making. Moral point of view emphasize the importance of ethical principle, empathy, responsibility, and cultural sensitivity. By considering the moral implication of their communication choices, individual and organization can foster trust, respect, and positive relationship with their audience. This approach encourages a commitment to ethical practices that not only enhance communication effectiveness but also contribute to a well-being of individuals and society as a whole. Economic point of view emphasize the importance of considering financial implication and resource allocation. By integrating economics analysis with ethical consideration, organizations can make informed decisions that not only enhance their financial performance but also promote ethical practices and positive relationship with stakeholders. This approach encourages a holistic understanding of the interplay between economic factor and ethical communication, ultimately contribution to sustainable success. Lastly, legal point of view emphasizes the importance of adhering to laws, regulation, and legal standards that govern communication practices. This perspective highlights the need for individual and organization to understand their legal obligation and the potential legal consequence of their communication. Normative judgment refer to evaluation and prescription about how communication should occur, what constitutes ethical communication, and the standard that should guide communicative practice. These judgments are grounded in ethical theories and principles, and they help shape the behavior of individual and organization in various contexts. While for non-normative judgment, it is basically about fact. Non-normative judgment is communication ethic, referred to evaluation that do not prescribe how things ought to be, but rather describe or analyze how things are. This judgment focus on factual statement. With this, we can conclude our presentation about communication ethic. Assalamualaikum and thank you everyone.